Big up Crossy Stevie.
Stevie, we recording now.
The ask now know when me are married, if me I got married. The goose is getting blood clot fat. Yeah, I'm gonna pick up some marriage collection. Pick up some blood clot divorce collection if you don't want my blood clot divorce. And then I will divorce. Me now take my blood clot money when I want to spend for my blood clot and if you know blood clot divorce. So since as Unuh want me for divorce, Unuh get one blood clot match game. And so this is for Queenie divorce. And then Unuh beat me dirty blood clot when I take on the money and name me dirty blood clot. Can Unuh can't force me for do. To pick up the collection, man. None of blood clot, Unuh don't blood clot dictate to me and tell me what to do in my life. Unuh stink like I am a blood clot nose when it ras clot sour. Yeah, man, them for go, man. What fucking I pressure me for? Go fund me, yeah. Get a blood clot, go fund me. And so I do it on a go fund me. Blood clot money for me, not take it by a liquor put for my tea. And that would I do for true. I don't want nobody pick up the blood clot collection and pick up the ras clot selection and tell me what to do. And he said, I don't like it. Pastor, me don't want nobody come tell me what to fucking do. It's me do me why I reach so far in a life. Me, do me, believe in a me, protect me. If me for this blood clot, me for reach which I'm rich, allow me, make me do me. Me nah do none of blood clot, Unuh. Me no want a collection from no dirty blood clot. Me no want a direction from Unuh. Me no want a ras clot reaction from Unuh. Move on a blood clot. As the woman right earlier, leave me and my personal life. The fuck alone, make my own a personal decision in my own time. God not take one day and make him murder. One of force blood clot. I suppose I want to hold on on the blood clot marriage. For say I get some out of the marriage. You not tell me. Low blood clot me. Suppose me is a blood clot paper clown. I'm going to hold on on a piece of paper for say Queenie man I hate you. But the paper not hate you. Low me no man. Leave me in my own time and favor. If not, go pick up the GoFundMe collection and send the blood clot money and see if me not take it near me. Nobody can tell me what for do, you know. And that's why I love Queenie, you know. I make my own a blood clot decision. And when anything happens, I have to cope with it and I laugh and fart. Leave me, man. Me know what I do. Me don't want nobody else. Me not lie. It's rude. Me don't know how to live. Me don't know no name. Me don't know no face. Me don't know no age. Me don't know no aim. I'm not right to talk to me. At this, you know what I this out to no blood clot. You understand? It's rude. Remember, me there I be my true self. Me not ask somebody for no opinion, for no advice, or for no help. Me have my own blood clot advisor. Me have my own helper. It's rude. Okay? No. Because I want to impress Unuh. Unuh want to question me and tell me how Unuh think me should have prolonged with. How much more do I have to lose? How much have I lose? How many times have I lose? How many tears I've cried? Low me. Low blood clots me. But I can't send no man come give me a fall fee, man. I God alone can't send no man come give me a fall fee. If I see a man I like the man, I just like the man because I am a likable person. So I'll compliment them because I am a complimentable person. But I am not attracted to them intimately. You see the man where I get me, I got attracted to intimately, not even me myself I got know. It just I got happen spontaneously. I mean I got out of control. That's the paper what I want to burn up. It's just I got just disappear at the time. It's true. Leave me. Stop force me. Material things come and go. My emotion mean a lot to me. My word mean a lot to me. My word is my bond to me. My name, my signature mean a lot to me. You understand me? Enough time. You see, me could have gone out of this divorce. already.
Tara.
Ignorance. But I do it out of hurt. But when you look on the procedure, it's by that time it calm you down, it make you rethink. Now when I'm thinking, I'm not thinking for me and my rare crazes. It might sound harsh, but it's the truth. Me no remember how no. You understand me? I appreciate you know. But at the moment of time, when I'm making decision, I think of my fucking self. Not even the blood clapping that them I not think about. You know what I think about them when I don't make the decision. Even if I think about my kids when I make decision like that. Listen me keenly, like that. It's gotta interrupt my thinking. I have to make my thinking as an individual person. You understand me? So a lot of people don't understand when you make decisions with multiple people, it becomes confusing because you don't make one solemn this decision by yourself. One of my daughters said to me, when out of 2 bomber hole them in there, I'ma shoot them. You understand me? So mommy, when you say the divorce I gotta do, don't blood clot ask me when no divorce I do. When it do. No ask me nothing for truth. You understand me? Because I'm and them same one. In September when my heart broke up and my brain's confused, and me I walk, I mean I have no life in me. And them same fucking one. I meet their mother. And they know me. And them say, okay girl, are you this say I gotta do it X type, so we just ask. Nobody not ask me nothing for truth. Leave my man. Everything when I say I put out in the public, and then when me not put it out now, it's a problem. Low blood clot me. Because he said my divorce, just I come back and so play in my own time. Wanna give me that now, man? Riley, Escada! Yo, beg us some water, please. My throat dry. You understand me? I feel bullied and pressured. I'm gonna take bullied and pressured. Or that tear out my body inside, blood clot out and skin. I true. I'm gonna take bullied and pressured, the riot crazy. Remember, you know, I rely upon myself, I rely upon my decision. Not just now, throughout my time. Not that I don't listen to people's advice. So you can't listen to people and weigh up things, you know, about your decision or you make. I always make my own decision. And I feel bullied by the nation for who I tell me for fuck, me not like it. I feel it's rather rude for you lot to still not respect the vow that I make. You understand me? You love me so much. But you know why I'm do something disgusting? Thank you. Disgusting why we're gonna traumatize me. It's not about the husband. It's about me, Queenie. You understand? Individually, me. Oh no, no, respect me. That's why when I tell me about no cuss, riot crazy. Oh, I'm too the man. Mr. Me a RT upon life. And it's insulting. But through me, I want to argue. Oh no, no father don't see my morals. It is insulting, yeah. To know someone married. And not because the man hate me and dub me. You don't want me to devalue myself to what me believe. It's rude. You understand me? Not because we grew up get enough away, grew up rough and poor and hard, don't mean to say. There is a lines. So not to me say because me draw a married line in a myself, me a fool, no. It's something where I'm paranoid at. Just the thought of it. I don't think enough cute boy down here can trick me. You know, think enough cute boy in the world can trick me, but I don't put myself in that position. I want my sister, you know, force me for my go fuck for proof that I wanted. That's careless. I am not careless. I'm vulgar and loud and awful, but I'm not careless. I will never be a careless woman. I say my son don't respect that. It make me even be more determined. You understand me? So I don't care what no one say. Cause remember, I can't come here to come boast and say, oh, me nah fuck, me no want nobody, and I may have all 10 man a root me out. By the time me hang up before me go on, so me give one a back, and by the time I drive go out, so me give one a cricket. But Unuh no know about me, no. And if me not like that as a person, how the fuck me I go feel good in myself? Me not gonna be the person me is. Leave me not live for people, right? Crazy. I respect the fact that I am a married woman and I get the chance to marry them. But I get to youth and them to make use of it. I go strong every day and dwell upon it and live in a sorrows. Move the fuck on. Remember when him take off my picture and put up the married girl picture upon it, and I say, what? I say, this is not a dating. This have to deteriorate me because him have many other pictures. Ask Yvette there. Me no know if me you know I'm on the life, I'm to leave the people that make them live and be free. He's not with me anymore and he left me. So if I want to move on and move on. Me really everybody I eat buck and maybe, but then me no eat that. By me see you taking off that have to mad me. That have to why would you wanna drive me mad? You're gonna use people to drive me mad. So when me say all of that, me say, bumbo cloud the money yet me for truth. So what me do? Me grant them glory and tell them to enjoy them life. Not knowing something fake enough, cause me did a wriggle me, they go wriggle me that. And me say, that can't be real, not go so lie, but then you don't know. So you take it as it come. But my point is, no. I don't know how much money me spend since me with that man, how much money me and that man make, and how much growth and prosperity me and him got through. I see him throw all of that to go kill out with, you know. And no make one blood clot flag, me not to make one little flag and put one little label on it and say something I'm good. I see, you know what I'm helping them, me not like that. Me not like that. Instead of a little vehicle now, a little business and, you know, have 2 little plantation with 2 little carrot and something. I mean, the blood clot that good. Not even 2 little can and a plant. I don't come and fuck and fight. I am so embarrassed of you lot behavior. I should take you lot to the order of the court. And I should take my one and I should say order in the court. What did you lot take the man from me and do with the man? To disgrace the man worse than that with no progress? I disgraced him with progress. I disgrace him because he never want to communicate with me. I look me sitting there on phone with the wall. I want to attack from a cut. And that make me lose man. But what progress Unuh when I come tell me about divorce? What Unuh do? Not even one song. Yeah man, some song with big heart to me. Yes, song in a throat. Yes, song this. Yes, song that. All when a fuck create a bill him catalog. Where them there? Practice the conch, blood clot perfect. What them there? On a non-progress, dirty blood clot, and then one come too long as to come help me. Me for help on a rejoice. No, me not help on a rejoice. On a need to elevate on a blood clot self. That me a talk about. And I think a marketeer thing me there for we don't know. Blow book, and I'm like, wow. You praise what you don't have. And despise what you get. Blah. Praise what you don't say. And despise what you get. And I mean, you know, want to take help on a ton laughing, but me ask for something. But I never saw a dangerous thing this song. Everybody tell me, one should do this track for you. Go and answer back. Me say me for help, danger, mock myself. Me want different blood clot speeches. Somewhere hurt me. And this try me. Traumatize me. Me for go up on stage to entertain Unuh. For say, move out my way. Hey. A ball to blood clot. Listen me. When I read sing, you know, hey, I love Queeni, you know. All more do I go up on the stage with a little light up Christmas skirt, you know. Me no care where I go up there now, I to them bench me, you know. Because as me reach and send up stage, and I said I am not going up there. Me's a woman of my word. Cameron have to dep on me for me be loyal to me. Me could have go up there right crazy, would have beat out her dirty blood clot and they would have locked me up. Because I should say move out my way. Bloof! I should have lit my back. And then the fight and the war would have started. No, you think me I gotta put myself in that? Me value myself. And it's as me telling you, if me not like somebody, me not watch them, me not listen to them. You see something irritate me, me not want to see it. So if you gonna see that song for mock me with my face, say flush, you see that's a flesh what she should drop out of my mouth. Me think of that alone me hear out a danger song. I said, Jesus Christ, God. You understand me? I'm afraid of blood. Every time I picture back, the piece of something will drop out of my mouth. I feel weird. So me know. You know say, that know. What the word? Traumatized me. And me go join Ed with you for sing that. Fuck that. Me now do that girl sing 10 more blood clot song about me and me a queen. Stick around, big up yourself anywhere you're there.
Tempted to touch.
You know, much people give me song to sing. To that girl, I'm going to say me not singing any song for her because I can't write song for my blood clot and my
Bless, big up yourself.
Me not do it try her crazy. Me not doing it.
Thank you for the
Me not
life.
sell out myself. Me not use myself as an object. You understand me? Me emotional bad with my blood clot self. My bally, my cussy, my turbo, but I'm very sensitive. No, so, hey, when me see girl sting my eye, I'm telling her all why my eye. Me no want to see her. Come me now, me no have nothing against her. No. Sing them what she saying at the time. Me I say, but those are all what hurt me. And I talk about them. So for you, categorize it now. And take it, put on lyrics and them I tell me about, yeah, it's a bad artist and you can't test her. Make she alone test me. Me not in a competition with her. That's rude. If me to take her man, I mean her something, you know, I should sing this track for me. Me couldn't understand that. I was fucking broken, you know. I was devastated, you know. I'ma come out. If me never cuss her ball out, wouldn't they say no so pretty? Look how Yvette look good. Yvette used to fret every time she see me I fret, she fret. I would hear me say, Yvette, you look so good and toned up, and she said, crazy. I told you stop fret and ball, me stop fret and ball. And she think me not hear what she saying now. Me I say, me hear her when she said crazy, I told you stop fret and ball, me stop fret and ball, so me look good now. And me I say, look at that here. A whole heap of people get destroyed.
Of course, when you and somebody a friend and them I go hurt. Me no business me have to hurt. When you a ball, me a ball. If you maga down, me maga down. Face fluff up, me fluff up back. Me stress too when I stress for true. Cause me feel your pain.
Even no matter what I go through, my pitney dead, me sit there with my girl and I laugh, you know. I have a little fun and laugh. I hear the girl sing, say, oh, flesh drop out of my mouth. And then for the throne, and I take all my girl power and something. I say, what? But I've done so much work, you know. But putting so much into the community and to the nation, them naturally being my true authentic self. And you just get up and feel like you could have kicked me off for me if you come help join you, kick off myself. No, even that didn't make sense to you. Me, if you go help that girl, join with that girl to kick myself off my throne.
No. Straight.
And a blood clot, Stefan and Jada Kingdom, this way, two of them taste the same cocky. You understand me? If you taste the same cocky with me, I've got no knowledge of that. So if me had to taste the same blood clot cocky now, there could have been a challenge with Mr. Blood Clot. I tried to go down the cocky road. Not do that, girl. He's a little pretty tail, blood clot, non-progressive girl as well. You know, say I know, me should have hear your song I play in every dance. Big up Sika Rhyme as me did that say. Sika Rhyme say, you saw one man to me good powerful. Big up Sika Rhyme. The man said to me when I said me I sing the song, I say it's my song. It's my voice and it's my words. So So even though the clock turn, I nah disown myself. Anyway, I go, I sell my song proudly, I'm going to remix it. You know why me a big up Sticker Rhyme now? When that song make, me don't know my husband there for 1 month him running, And the day me I cussed it, in them time too. Yeah, go down to March. No, it was in the summertime, it no matter. And me I cuss, And Sticker Rhyme watch me on the live and call. And say, come over, I'm structured. I said, Mama, me have a song for you. Me not pay Sticker Rhyme no blood clot, man. I cuss for you and 4 hours after I go to Sticker Rhyme studio. And Sticker Rhyme tell me about the song. I'm say me not singing that song. I come here for done him. If he Sticker Rhyme, him teach me a lot the little time is with him. As much as it's my cousin cause him dump me. But we stand by Sticker Rhyme anyway, any day, I'll let you know I'm a stand by him. See, the little time around him, I learn a lot. And when I go to studio now, I listen to this song. Him say, Queenie, me not say no woman love them husband and them man like you. It's the way you fight for him. You need to leave an impact on the nature. Mr. Sticker Rhyme, I am not doing that. I come here for done him. Sticker Rhyme lean over and say, Queenie, let me tell you something. You can't do it. You can't do a song and done him. You know, so Sticker Rhyme list right now, I can't hear me in my ears. Him say you can't do a song and done him. But it not last long. People love mix up and people love animosity. But it a go dry out. After 3 months, nothing now go become of that. I'm a laugh. And then play the song. I'm a listen to it. I'm sorry, then 20 minutes I'm just say, alright, then I'm just jump up. I don't whole day my customer, You can't hear the love in the song. You can't hear the hurt. You can't hear the disappointment, you can't hear the marriage. Everything you hear it from a voice in that song. My true authentic self at the moment. Not a do it. And when me see the girl do the song about me, I say, that's, you hear me tell her, Mr. Girl, the song now got no blood clot where. A Sticker Rhyme tell me. I love Sticker Rhyme,
You know, when me laugh, when we reach a sting.
Yeah.
Me say like them in the like come like smaddy and then at the park and say Sarah come now sing the song. Me say when we hear the song, me say Chris, me I go hide. It says well come out of the carrier, move out my way. Yeah, the man now going up the same time. The gangster shop the Queenie shop the run go Chris say me nah go up there now. Me nah go. Me say once me and crazy run a back a bend down. I said that you not see her that she that is in this you know oh you know see her see me and people.
Look, me don't watch this to me.
I me say me they run a beer run at the corner with that too,
That's true, man. Because Yvette, I hear you and everything starts from and you so much resistance I put up and when Mrs. say I really get in it and get married, me just get relaxed and say, fuck that, this is meant to be, so take it as it come, when it from fresh it rush. But when me say everybody turn against me now, me just turn back and just say, Unuh go and deal with it. Me hide. Me have to hide. If me never hide me that day, today I cuss no, I cuss over blah, blah, blah. Me did have to hide from all of it. Hide, man.
Me tell every day now. Can't keep a good man down,
You're too strong to be
They can't keep a good man down.
Mr. If I tell him again, cause I like when you somebody is talking, cause sometimes one day I chat to me about things. What happened when we talk it?
As we reach as we are drive going, so.
In the driveway.
Yeah.
As we reach in the drive, I mean reach and then as we reach
come out, as the park up and I go come out, so she we hear and I say, Yvette, Even here are the him no
Me
ooh.
say, that even fool here, ooh, crazy. We are see two way I walk and go in that place and me say, I she sing this song about me, listen. So by the time we reach to the gate now, they might tell me if I forgot on the stage. Me said, why? Right, crazy? Me never care. You see, from that, all the time I try to get on the stage, them not send me up, you know. Them do my body now, but me not talk.
I the same thing with Amari too. And when I sit down there, I say crazy, you know, me nah look.
With Amari 22.
You know, me
Yeah,
nah
but finally me
look.
hear Amari say me did have man at trouble. I mean, I said, what? Me sorry for Amari because everybody there over my side, you know. I said, oh God, so my people them can't go over there with her. I say, if me know her, she see me, you know. I'm gonna feel the woman comes to me at trouble. And me hide from people, you know, coming like
You
trouble,
know
you know.
what? You know what? She see a long time. Remember, say we see her from we in the park, sit down in the vehicle, you know.
She passed me, I'm hide her, you know.
Yeah, remember, say she pass you, and we say, I'm married, and she be in the van, sit down, and she walk past, go in.
Yeah, that's the first time. And so and when we going now, we walk past her for going on my shed in it. I'm not easy doing, you know. But my hide from them for true right crazy. Because I'm not a troublemaker, you know. My bad. There's a difference. Me's a bad girl. Me's not a troublemaker. You understand me? So me all the years to know all me say all the girl, you know. Me not a trouble girl. She sing the song about me, but if me not hear the song, she's not a problem to me. So if me go and party now, I'm here now the on the stage and she sing the song, me I go fight her. I'm gonna take back my talk. If I one day before my dead and that girl sing the song in my cup, I gotta lick out her dirty blood clot. Me and her go fight. And me go bite off her body jaw them. You see, I donkey and for body jaw them, I gotta take my mouth to see. And I gotta put my teeth them right. I gotta bite out piece of your blood clot body jaw. Me I want you know, girl, you know much time I want blood clot you. Do not. It's true. Me not laugh. Me not laugh for that, I tell her. She and her friend them can play it. Remember me live in England, you know. All of them things that why me there at Jamaica, and I say, Queenie, just go on with a vibes at Jamaica. Because I see them bumble all of England, and none of them can get me on a stinking blood clad party for one unless you don't pay me to come suck out my blood clad suck out. You think none of no pussy all over there will use me for go shoplift. And somehow not trust my blood clad thief in shoplifting clothes, them and pay me. And all who me get brought up, move on a dirty blood clad. You know used to me no one, but me no come suck me left, right, and blood clad center. With 3 stars, me soon I boost for blood clad distract about me. Anyone on a pussy hole, body blood clot hole, what feel like say, when you can diss me in front of my face, me beat out on a dirty blood clot and have to beat me back. Cause me is a blood clot bad girl. Me ain't a troublemaker. I me ain't a diss jockey. But me can't tell you that my bad blood clot bad.
Speed
Oh,
challenge.
fight to my right. I don't like that tell. Me not bet you know. Me not impress you know. I mean,
Amen.
for no. You see all the DJ,
I'm Melanie,
I mean,
baby
no man
boy,
at
baby
Jamaica now play that in
boy.
my ears, you know. And me not even, all the DJ, them I ain't got not even go do it. But you have someone where them press button. I don't play it now, man. I bet you not say I got jail for them. Me go up jail. I know nobody may go kill. At the blood clot computer may go kill. You saw me love kick? Move on no dirty blood clot. One kick me kick it off and them I go lick blood clot me and this is fight after. And you are with me right crazy. Send me a fight. Me no look for help. My bad no blood clot. So I get stabbed in my back. Around 15 friend and company me have there. I get stabbed in you know. I said the girl, you know the girl stab me, she pass me a van. I'm a kick her and slide and drop and she just come over me. And so me even do my blood clot drop and me up on my so me reel up and kick her, you know. I'm satisfied. When them carry go hospital, I mean the ambulance. I'm look for who bad and I say, me could want nobody to help me. I so much away. That's what I be ganging. I mean first let the girl. Me give the girl what? That's why I take me stop. I want them to lock her up. Me say, me no want lock her up. Me nice. The girl was Sagittarius girl like me. But that's the difference with me. Me split the system myself. That's why I say me no like people bully me. Me have to live with myself and my decision. You understand? So for impress when I make decisions for them, I can't do it. My sister and some girl fight over the ear shop, you know. Fast enoughness and mix up cars, all of this, you know. And we did out there when the cuscus are going and we drive well. We drive, but remember me, I drive and sell clothes, you know. And the girl is a bully. She loves stab. But me and I never have none yet, so I'm not expect her for stab her. But that's what I'm surprised and unexpected. So my sister called me, you know, and said she out the back and look. You know, everybody want to hear the mix up. You know, England this at me, you know. And right crazies. And some know me not take nothing serious. When I go there, my sister and the girl in an argument, she tell the girl this and the girl I tell her that. Want me to cross the road or the car cross here from the road, you know. And my sister and the girl are cuss. Remember, you know, it don't have nothing to do with me, you know. And I say, move your blood clot, whatever. I say, I'm having cherry bee buckle. Remember when they cross the road, you know, to the road there? So we the over here, and them the over this side of the shop. But we more load car, Jamaican. So true, me see the girl and my sister cuss. You know me, I want bad girl, me just take the cherry back and feel it cross the blood clot road.
TC.
She a one bad girl too. You saw me sail the back across the road, the girl come cross the blood clot road around 8 away, the 10 away. Bad blood clot girl, I saw me see the girl walking
From
and
down at St. Anne's, Del TC, Warren TC, Alvin TC.
and the way me taxi sister the girl really walk across the road, come over here. You just got some move your blood clot and get one blood clot liquid in my blackberry. Cause me a bad girl.
Big up
And she a
yourself.
bad girl too. And so by the time I want Gucci slippers, my man. It's by the time I lick her with a blood clot phone, I slide. Right is right and truth is blood clot truth. And so I slide right crazy. Can just come over me and go so bloops. Joke me so with her scissors. And I slide on the palm. I'm just go and kick her. America run out. Them time I live with woman, me have one girlfriend, America. America run out to the one button. One something, you know. And the way send the girl stab me, I kick her and get up. I go cross back the road at the shop now with my throw. Cause I cross the road this to them day now. Yes, I got my sweat of blood in her eye crazy. I have one green blouse, I said, I got so. I said, Bumble Cloud, the girl stop me. I mean, I said nothing to nobody, you know. We just walk go straight across the road like this. I just push the shop door. I'm gonna push the shop door, I see her with the silver scissors in her hand. I'm gonna start laughing and back. I say, Queenie, don't make the girl stab you up. I'm back. And I said, I'm gonna cross the road. And the ambulance come for me.
No problem.
And so the ambulance come for me. Remember them put me in a red blanket. Right crazy, big up Ian World Power. Good youth. Ian World Power did I keep him 9M. I really blood clot 9 I rebuke that and send it back to the pit of hell. Ian World Power did I keep him round robin. And the way people say me get stabbed up and dead. Ian can't swim round robin. Right crazy is when me in the ambulance now. And the ambulance people then put on blanket cross with. When they hear me lie down in the ambulance, say, yeah, man, a long time before I lie down and relax myself. Yes, when we reach at the hospital full, you remember Roland? When me get stabbed.
Oh, when the girl stabbed.
When the girl did stab me, man. Yeah.
Morning, Roland.
Him walk gone.
Be good.
Him walk gone. To them that ain't gone.
One event.
Yeah. I wish for I'm reach. Right crazy. So remember me in the ambulance now with the blanket. I love the nice blanket. And I say, yeah, man, a long time I work hard, man. A long time for a lie down in the hospital and relax myself. Right crazy when I reach the hospital full of people. This is me, bumper clot. I saw when me dead so much people I got there have a funeral. Listen man, everybody start laugh because everybody there thinks yes, some are dead. Who some get stabbed up, who said this, so remember you don't know and so everybody run come out the hospital. Mr. Evans, when me watch a cold bumper take me, when me reach I see so much people, but said, bumper clot. And so much people are going to come up and feel I left for dead. And you know, everybody start laugh now. My sister, one set of people are cussed. One some in the hospital. Remember me get stabbed up? Right, crazy. So I go through enough. And the day when I forget court now, you know what? Boy, I have to survive and alive. You know, I just love you. Me just Queenie. I'm going to go to court. Yeah, I say I got no blood clot court, so I'm first with the girl, I'm satisfied. Then I say I'm a back, I stab her, but she never lick me. I mean, first lick her. I mean, no, so she's a stabber girl. I'm telling you why I don't like people. I think it's rude when people, but hate when people try to corrupt my brains because I cannot be corrupted. I'm too pure. All me I tell my friend and everybody say, still I'm there, him can't tell you, I'm a pinning them, can't tell him. I say, it's me first lick the girl. If me never lick the blood clot girl, she couldn't stop me. The girl come across the road, I'm a first step my blackberry and lick her in her blood clot, me now lock her up. So me no go no court. Bye, King! Later. So, when I forgot court though, right crazy, but now I got no court coming now, I lock up the girl. I can't bother.
Are you all gonna live back there now, crazy?
No man, the kids them there. I'm a Roland gun.
Oh.
Yeah, but what may I talk about? So even I forgot what may I talk about again? The girl. Oh yeah. So may I tell them say I'm not press no charge for her for go court. Because to me first start with the blackberry, and the girl I stab her and shove her, and of course I got stab out my blood clot. Everything we take for sure. So, but something like good, I don't court I be first with the girl. Anyway, so the man when I forgot court now, I never court now on Monday morning. That time he live 10 minutes on the courthouse, you know, because I live at Wood Green, and at Wood Green court may I go. So even to me big bad and bold, I say I got no blood clot coat. So sit down there. When I look, I see the big white England police van come, them call it the bill. The riot van. With around 6 police, so I have to come at court. Yeah, hear me even.
All dead dog. Thank you.
But my clot, even to snipe me.
Thank
so when the police come and say, anyhow, me not go court now, me I go get locked up. And driver left me. Me just come out of my yard and just see me how me is. I don't even dress to hey, me I'm different to man, you know. I work with my blood clot spirit, you know. You say I'm going to court me for the girl now. The same girl me go sentence, you know.
Here and deaf, big up yourself, you know. Good morning.
Excuse me, sorry. When I reach court now, I see her at courthouse and she turn her back like she a ball. Me not look for her, I just hold my blood clot head straight and go to the clerk court and said to them, Miss, that girl over there, she stabbed me and I don't want to lock her up. Draw her right. The woman said, why? I said, because she have 2 girls, Pitney, and I hear so one of them get damaged. And for me, go lock her up now, and I me first said, lick her, it's long, miss. Beloved Queenie, same God with argument blood clot done. Cause them I tell me about them I go charge me for this. I'm a report the girl and them I go lock me up if me not go to court and this and that. Me just tell the woman say listen miss, and me first did lick her with my phone and she stabbed me and now she have 2 daughters and me get a porridge bun up one of them. I don't want to lock her up me. And the woman just send me to our next court high authority people and say me to write it. And them write it, I'm a sign for it. And them let her go. And that I must road. Hear this now, no riot crazy. Remember a girl stab me up now, you know. No stab up, one stab. So hear this now, no Yvette. This happen like say in a May we go court and me tell them me no want lock her up. So you know December my birthday now. And the girl born December. So I start like me, you know. Yvette when me look at the girl in my party on my red carpet with me. Say blood clot! Oh, them my son can't put her up, make she stay. So born Saturday like me, and she do what she do, and she come show her gratitude. And she party with me, Yvette. And me tell them don't, that's just me. I tell them, say me not have no time. When me hear them, I say me all a recruit man. I put it on me, I say, what are we them people that cook me up and tell some blood clot like on me? Me put it on people, me so blood clot fool and kinda. The body's part of me and my mouth. And from a done cuff.